One viewers and subscriber on the depend make sure everything blessed now anywhere no day you see it. I don't know Richie feelings that youth ever come out and speak in mind on certain topic, and when Richie feelings talk you don't know. He never speak truth. Me not go anything and talk. You see it. So if you're new around here, remember to like, comment and share and see it for future upload to get it soon as it drop. Yo, man, you can all follow me at Instagram at Sandy and Bones TV. Yeah, man, but you don't know Richie's feeling come out today and talk about Queenie and talk about the last situation with Munchie and our friend, you see it. And I mean, they speak a lot of things, so we just forward and go listen to him and say, for the video is very long, so we not too dry it out, isn't it? Yeah, man.
Then me see a live where the whole of England run out. I say our friend, she pick up the last coffer. First thing I'm telling you about, get up people. When we are going, we don't tell people when we are going. If we are going today, we tell people say next week we are going. And if we are going next week, we tell them say today we are going. And everybody if you know when you are going. And sometimes, the word when you're friend, it used too loosely. You can say you're somebody a friend and them not consider you as not even an associate. You're just dead as somebody with a convenience to them. And you hear me say? It's just like you're going to look about any form of business, visa, anything, police record, anything. You go and go do your business yourself. Someone will chat too much. We chat too much sometimes. We want to share the joy with people, but sometimes you don't have to share your joy with nobody. You have to just keep it to yourself. Talk to yourself and make people think you're mad in your house and say, whoa, murder, I'm ball out. We Ned, me youth. Don't know from long time. Zine, because remember, you know, you were glad for people, you know, and people don't glad for you. You hear me say? And again, how you view people, and the same way them are going to view you. You might say, oh, the person is nice and real, and them say, you ain't the boy Richie, a drunk, me hate him, that is thinking sour boy. I don't like him too hype. And you will say, no, say, that youth, they are good youth, you know star. Rate him, you know, while them not rate you. And you can't change how people view you, but you can change how you view people. You hear me say? You can change how you view people. Because you can't change what them think about you, you know. You can't change that. Because them not like you a long time, you think them are going to change their mind and say, oh, me a big man now. Me like him now. And that's how life work. Life not work so. We not judge nobody because of what the thing we see on the internet. Because that one thing we don't do, we not perfect. And them say when you live in a glass house, don't throw a stone. Social media is a place where you have the judge, the jury, the man who do the sentencing, the man who do the hanging. You have everybody on social media. Because you see, the lie and the disrespect that spread like wildfire. But the apology is very silent. You know, like the P and the L in the Psalms, I saw it silent. People would disrespect you to the core. And them know them wrong. And when them find out, say, them wrong, and them know say they did right, them now come apologize, them hold it. And them now come out back on the internet and say, yo, me nah tell her, I'm sorry, say me did say that boy Richie. Because it take a big man or a big woman to apologize, you know, but some of them people don't have that in them. Because it's true them beat them chest, and them go on and them talk till right as up, one big vein stand up right as up. Them no want come back, come shame. And say, boy, I'm not tell a lie, I'm sorry I do that to Nikki. Them nah come say that. So what now if you do? You know the truth. You know what you do. Then nobody worry about what people have to say. What heap of things we say all the while. What heap of things. But I want to bear it in mind, they could have to suffer for the bad. Now if I want to just get on the papers and you don't want to come to Jamaica. Just come to Jamaica and tell the whole world. I want to tell you that Jamaica big and pretty and nice. The dancehall scene there Kingston. There are enough country and everything, but the whole heap of river they are the country them. So I need to come to Jamaica and just keep it silent. And then when you reach back all 1 month after I want to post no picture. Everybody now know every move. Because and everybody glad for no. And everybody glad for no. You glad for them, but them not glad for you. You hear me say? You have to know for wallet, keep some things to yourself. Nobody follow on a post, oh, I take flights and I catch feelings. Stop follow the internet, because the internet is a place where it can be good to you and it can be very bad to you. And the beggar them when they out there will love beg. People who are really in need, not really ask for nothing because them don't want shame. For one thing with an independent person, them not like for shame. They don't like to shame. And some way, when they're on the internet, we need to be careful of who we are giving $1. We need to be careful of who we are giving $1 to. The internet is one dangerous place, man. Remember, I like, enough time we see some people up and I take picture. That don't mean nothing. I like and comment it name, remember it name friends and family, it name followers. You see me? I tell you no, don't quick for wish bad pan people, because remember your family here. Now if I want to sit down, want to be nickel other people pitney, want to talk bad about people and wish every dead pan them. But you have to remember, say, uno have life and things can change in a second. Stop trying to bring down people. Stop trying to go on like sound better than people and more than people. Because one thing me know, every time I go look for my mother, I see more and more grave over there. Every time me go up and I go look for my mother, more grave. Them bury the rich over there, them bury the poor over there. You understand? So me just tell you no. And the biggest thing right now, where win everybody, is death. No man no in death. Just like cancer. Cancer, never seen nobody win cancer yet. Never seen nobody win cancer. That is the biggest killer. Cancer. And the second next killer is diabetes. See? A man will see a big and fat, Oh, diabetes is going to kill him. No know, Say, him have diabetes, Can feel like say when you're big and fat, you have diabetes. Him no know say you can't slim and catch diabetes, But through your fat, them just feel like say when you're fat, you're not healthy. Everybody need to go to a doctor. Everybody need to go check out themselves. Everybody need to go check out themselves. Every man and every woman. Because remember, as I'm telling you again, disrespect, disgrace, all of the nastiness, them always loud. Always loud, And the apology are always silent. Always silent. Big up every man and every woman who can go to a doctor and not fret. And we not talk about just one thing, because people just feel like, say, a sexually transmitted disease alone, you can't go to a doctor and wait. You can't just go to a doctor and you never have a pneumonia before. And you just hear say you have pneumonia. You never sick before, you go to a doctor and you say you have bronchitis. You can develop all asthma in your whole days. Anything can happen to you in them time, because you see the food them where we eat, especially all people who live a foreign. Nothing organic, not they are foreign. What they are foreign organic? Nothing. Because first thing anybody will live in America. America now have no yam farm and way. I import them something they import. So when you have to go in a store and say you go buy yam. A people live at Jamaica, live at some place when we say we are get the yam out of the earth and we are get the banana off of the tree, we are get the lettuce, we are get the cabbage, we are get the callaloo, we are get everything. Sometimes the fertilizer where they must spray upon the thing mash way up. Cannot care how healthy you eat. I see some people say them go fully vegan. And them not eat this and them not eat that, but yet them still sick. Why you sick? Because them sit down and worry about different things and them catch a strokes. I remember this, I know a man where he was a fit and strong and healthy, named Rambo, Everything Rambo used to be the man where you could have called and get anything done, police record, anything, I don't know say Rambo catch a strokes. Half a Rambo body mash up, Rambo in a wheelchair, Rambo can't talk, Rambo go through all kind of thing. And Rambo never sick. We don't know where Rambo needs to sit down and I worry about. But Rambo catch us strokes. So no care how you see a man young and strong or them all. Rambo a Jamaica scrap it. Great big man Rambo man. Sickness not stop on nobody gate. Anybody can sick. Yeah. Lion Rambo man. Oh, a Rambo man. One Rambo scrappy man. You know, say you see Rambo in a hear Rambo. Strokes Rambo catch man. Drive Rambo drive go to airport and get a strokes, you know. Everybody asks me what I think about Rambo and what him name Munchie and Mitsie. I don't know Mitsie. I don't know Munchie. All me know. Anything where you carry for people, make sure you know how you carry. That alone me know. Anything where you carry for people, make sure you know where you carry. I could even a box of patty. Make sure say when you got tastes with them. Because if I have a friend where you love like that, you know how that go. Because boy, you're wicked. Or you can buy liquor in the airport for them. And big up everybody with up on the mix-up site, them Pink Wall and their dream. What do you say a woman sending in and she say, she don't have no money. And her daughter go to Queens. She have 115 bills and she have a next pitney where I go to another school. And I see some people rally around and help the little girl. I love that. Big up everybody with up on that because I know just mix up enough help, dream them help people, enough people Pink Wall them help. And I just mix up alone over there. But you have some dirty girl over there and some dirty man. The first thing with them do, I ask about where the father there. She never come on if you come ask baby father. She come ask for assistance for her youth where I go to school and prominent. Zine, but you don't know you have them people that will ever come on the internet. All when it's a serious situation, them laugh. See them people that will laugh, them have a self-esteem problem. Them come on and them laugh and them say this and that. If you ever check some crosses where them are go through. If you ever see how some of them people are live, let me tell you this. Not because they live down and want to get to any boardhouse and a shit in a bag and a throw it in a gully, you know. Nobody feel like so some people live uptown and live better than you. You live better than them, yeah? The only difference with you and them might have a tank on them house and you won't have the tank. Right? Because remember, you are shit in a bag. You are shit in a bag. And them have a tank and them tank empty because them water gone all long now. And them can't go over them neighbor yard go beg them nothing. You understand? So nobody true you live at a location or you address. You address there one other place you feel like some people more than you. But no more than you. I can't tell you that. And big up every youth and every woman in their mother life same way. I see all a sad situation on the internet. Chanel Muir and her mother. I'm not telling a lie. I don't like it, but I know me I go through the situation. Somehow you say if you don't know nothing, if you just watch things and make it play out. Them say, I know your mother and your father and your days will be longer. But remember them tell you say, don't provoke your children to wrath. Because remember, not because you bring forth the youth, you go and deal with the youth like say, the youth and a body. Because some parents are bring down, you know. You understand? Some parents are bring down. Enough people, if you hear them talk some situation where them and them mama got through or them and them papa got through. Because somehow, no, cause remember, Mother's Day come up, you hear, oh, mother, you deserve a pot of gold. And every mother deserve a pot of gold. And every mother deserve a pot of gold. So since you and your mother live good, just big up yourself, you and your mother. You hear? Because remember me and Sanja live good. Sanja, my mother, I love her, and me and I go through everything. Me have that to say about my mother, but I know everybody ever say that about for them mother. Sometimes we see some situation, we don't like it, but we have to just watch it, make it play out. You understand? Because me hear a voice note come out and them say, Shanil, me your mother that. I tell her, I say, I better she go do her body and all of them something, then her body shame her and I disrespect her in the most way. And me never like that. Me never like that. No mother if we bring forth a youth, not supposed to bring down them child, so. You see me? But again, I feed them life that. Killer filler, original youth, money over high promoter. Big him up people, whole of Clarendon. Remember, I faced the man, but him broke brother business him do. I do business with him. I'm looking forward to do business with him again. A businessman. You understand? You have some people, a friend thing them bring in, and there is no friend in business. It's a music business. Don't matter come talk about somebody who come book you and you talk about me and your friend. Ask the people how much them a charge. And if them tell us to take off something, you take off something. Business we I deal with. What you mean? That we don't have to talk. We have to talk about your killer filler. A business you do. We have to talk about you. And place your name, give me a bit. We have to go down Vernon Field and go around one part. And down there we go. 9 o'clock the dance still a go on. Yo, God no. What do people, man? Where you say, tax time and Valentine are coming up. Where is my girlfriend? Where is my girlfriend? Yeah, big man when me I do with girlfriend. Girlfriend of a teenager. What you do? Give my girlfriend, in my old days. And I say, I never bother put on a die. Then I say, I'm great. I pick them at 27 this year, you know. What me I do with girlfriend? Young blood DJ, big up yourself. When I worry about my woman for, nobody no see her post here, man. Nobody worry about Richie and woman. That's the thing now, we sit down and I worry about who have woman from who have man. You know, since I pay people rather be single. And nobody have no problem in them life. You know what single people over here? Be a woman. Alright, if the woman never well want to live with man, why so much tie yourself? Why so much tie yourself? Come and talk about it. Why so much rose yourself? Single in a Valentine. I can talk to me for him. Yo, God, no, what me I can talk. Feel him and go away. Come in, walk and talk. So I go on for walk and talk. Good morning. Chef up now, say the girl them wicked, that's why it ties herself. Well, walk and talk them, man. Then but the request again, walk and talk. Send back the request again. People, walk and talk is a good youth, you know. It's a good youth. Don't know him have a little heightness in him, but you don't know when you're young and you're so hungry and you reach a certain place now. You have to just feel proud of yourself. Big him up.
far him a come from. A big request. Oh, original youth like JR Chromatic. JR, remember how they come and see me say brunch, I wait one name and see there over there go at a bag of thing. Let me feel it about clap for the stage and say, boy, JR, no what you do, you know. Say the boy over there go on and I go a date thing. Yo, at the song night country, where blind boy name? Night boy are, any boy are, Ufa boy, when name? Yo, God no. Them say me feel easy and take 2 and 1 2 1 gal, one time can be did and ball out. Remember say me there see me say brunch, yo, God no. Yo, may I tell you something? Yeah, me there see me say brunch, see? And me and Ding Dang did it, and scrappy them. Zane, and me I tell you say the VIP were Escobar in with Lali them. Somehow no girl who love embarrassment too much. Who know no have VIP ticket, I don't want to go in a VIP. Me say me see the security in the tree up three girl. And so me see the man of them that them neck. Them not no pass. Them have the regular ban. I want to go in a VIP. I kill me see the man nearly kill them. Me girl wanna go. A old girl, we have a be makeup on her face. You the girl makeup, the place hot and the girl makeup, they put on good. And she a wash her do, and it a wash up on the security, and when the man will have short, so. One man when somebody sorry for him, I make him there in a VIP, he might talk, oh yeah man, I me and them, when they look at him and him now, the security say, hey boy, me killer, you're dead. when we see the security back him going and say, you're dead. See me, can't remember try impress the girl, let me know. 3 of them come up, boy. I in there go to. And I try pass the security. I said, this go to one girl on her neck, so. One girl on her neck and say, hey girl, what you do? Try me lose break. I come here, walk up here. Lali says some bam, and I wine for that girl. Let's come over there, so. And I have him drink. Some more people over one part. Here the girl, I made them a party. Let's come back, cut him here. I don't know that girl there. Me say, let's come back, cut him here for the girl. Where's the man cutting my hair for the girl? One of the girl makeup around her for the security and let's do this. Yo, one of the girl makeup around her. When we see Jay goes to Bama and say, oh, if one of me a Bishop Escobar, me I say, what a boy that throw it for me. What a boy that say me to do me that. Me I kill him. Me I try to go through the crowd to let the boy Jay with a backlamp could get to see him car. Trim shot. Me I say, yo, me don't want to catch nobody even more. Me I say, what the boy do? So me not talk about time I come alone. Me I kill them. I catch bad one. Me catch bad man and go sharp that knife. I say, anyone me say Jay, me I stab him up. Anyone me see him are dead. The boy say me not hot. Him are dead. That was there. All the security for me when me not try go in a VIP. Remember Richie feelings me name. No VIP can't stop me. No, so that me I tell you, come like someone don't understand what I go on earth. All the security will treat me. Look how me big. Security can't treat me. Me can lift out of my good yard $15,000 for going as him if you go make security choke me. How me for go do that? Me could have never do that. People, when you leave out of your yard, don't leave out of your yard to go take disrespect. Leave your yard to enjoy yourself. Put on your nice clothes, take 2 nice pictures, take out your phone, snap yourself, have a drink at a table and do the right thing. Because it don't look good for you go a gate and get embarrassed, especially when you're a woman a par. You can carry out your woman a whole and go a gate and then you're there. You know much people me say they at the gate and they on them phone and a call. The phone them not work, too much people in there. Nobody not answer them phone. So if you have your money to pay go in, get your ticket from before because you will get disrespect. You will get disrespect. I'm always I tell people this, I say anywhere your face can carry you in, make your money carry you in. May I tell you, because that now go look good. Oh, me and a woman forgot go out now. Our security, I took me on my face and I took me on my neck and say, boy, move from right so and push me from gate in front of me, woman. Me not did that. Have your money to pay go in or go your yard. You know, walk in the back and, yo, God, no, what is? Walk and talk, come like him come out of. him come out a Wi-Fi zone. Me not like that. You can't go out with woman, and when you go out with woman, you talk about, yo, the promoter style me. The promoter style me. And somehow the next man and woman, we are got people party, got big ticket, and then not even buy a water. Everything, every team weekend, every stands, every gravel, every this, every that. Yo, pay me more. Pay me more. Everybody can give me what I want, because then them money at the gate. Man, them say them create them own gate. Man, them say them create them own gate. Yo, every gatekeeper me I look for, because them say a gatekeeping around the place. Remember say, the first on the plaza we keep. And me play the first, but two on the plaza we play. Yo, the man them not, yo, them done it me, yo. God no, them don't want to see me. Yo, me say on the plaza go on tour of Florida. Me say on the plaza keep us, what don't know name? We vacate. Me say on the plaza keep everywhere. Yo, God no. Me play the first on the plaza, you know. And me I say, yo, age and them are me youth. Two time me play upon the plaza. Yo, the man them don't want to see me, yo. Me I kill creep here, so anyway, me see me off dead. Then they pay me the homage. Me have go up and interview the master star and the boy JR. Remember me know him long time. Him and DJ Chrome used to par. I used to talk on the mic early. Me and him go up a place all of a sudden. Him a walk past me like I my done. Him a dead. Joke, yeah. Like how the youth them a go and me not tell a lie. Every time I see JR post and I play some place and I go on, I have a little bossy thing about him, you know. Me I tell you, boy, bossy a fuck. Me not gonna say I hype him bossy. Him bossy, you're supposed to bossy as a killer fella say. And I hype, but the all man for bossy. Every man must bossy. Every man for bossy. Because you remember where you come from. Gone are the days when you used to have your ask to go up and two dance. Now, promoter ask you if you can't take off a thing to play upon the dance. And me I tell you this, me not have no problem with no selector. Me and no selector I have no problem. Me no business where you want to play, where you want to come from. Remember, me run the place already. Me run the place. And every selector know that. Me left soul of a run the place. Because remember, me left off a soul of there. Me had the hungry man left off a soul of, and everybody still see me and say, Rob, why Richie feeling? Me never care soul of name with me. Big up Father Paul. Remember, are you give me the glory. You hear? Remember, said some people didn't know me down a jungle. Because I don't know me a junglist. Soul of cover jungle. And all I saw them cover jungle and them know about Richie feelings. But remember, say Soul put me to the world. I go to Japan with Rory. And I play 5 shows. When I bust as Richie feelings, I go to Japan and 1 month I do down there and go 19 place. I go to Europe and Ratatam splash as Richie feelings. Enough place we go. So when I have to come, I talk about all the boy creep them and shuckle bust them. Yo, them boy they banker them. I have problem with them. I forgot problem with the youth them and the youth them coming and do them thing. You mad? Remember, I saw them used to fight me one time, you know. I saw them used to fight me one time, you know. Them time some man used to say, yo, Richie can't play upon them sound. Enough of them things that we go through. No, a man don't need no sound. Man just have 2 box and just say, yo, that we are book a sound and you come play upon it. Big up Father Keith. Whole of base of this say. Me and every selector from base of this say good. Big up Freddy Krueger. Big up Ricky Trooper. And the whole of them. You understand? Me can't have no problem. See, just there. Man left soul up and come farm him own son, man genius, man. The man have him son named Sky Level, man. Big up yourself, Jazzy. Blood clean. Remember the only thing me have right now. Because I remember no selector will say them young and them say me a dinosaur or whatever. No selector will say them young and hot. Can't outplay me for no dance. Because if a Jesus Christ them a play, me just go for hallelujah, praise the Lord. Yeah, man, me and JR them good, man. Me and JR them never ever have a problem. Me and them can't have no problem because me not try to compete with them. Me not try to compete with them. And that mash up no for the big man them. Them a try to compete with the young youth them. Me not do that. Because remember me did young one time, you know. Because remember we are going to get old, you know. Big up Big Richie. See the man come tour out the whole of Jamaica. The man got rubber dub Tuesday. This year Monday, that the Wednesday, yo. Tour the man company, yo. Big up yourself, yeah, man. selector them a fly in. Big up my virgin DJ Blazer. Big up yourself. All of the youth them. I do them thing. I don't know Entourage and DJ Kid. Remember them at over one part. And I like one time when you can say, yo, 2 selector at. Only for selector at right now. So now the man run and I come go like him young. Him look young, him a go like him young. People him the young. Him all. Remember me and him at same age. See him the man run on. Anyway, me see him people. Me tear a bumper myself. Call him say I keep the gate him and Polish. Then the boy know. Yo, God no. See, them know what you add on like wait them add on.